tell I'm going into the wind? This side's insane. Okay, back to this side. It's pretty intricate. All the stuff I got going on here. I got these cross wires going on because the poles on each side here, the poles that run up and down, well, there's nothing running across this way. There's just these bars that extend up and back down to these corners from the center of the tent. Nothing supports in this area. Well, it's kind of nice because this rainfly, this connector here allows a shovel effect. So it's pushing down on the tent. I've been noticing that these feet are going further and further into the ground, which is good, but it loosens all the guys at the same time. So I had to do it just as the wind has picked up and moved around and reposition how these things are working. But yeah, works good. This bungee is nice. When it's not windy, it's open. Kind of hard to see, but yeah, it worked great. Now it does. Shit, it's windy. I haven't done much today except man the tent. I'm glad I did, because if I weren't here, I don't think I'd have a tent anymore. It might be a couple miles down the road, if not further. Anywho, I don't feel like going back inside the tent. I want to talk to you guys. Anyway, I'm going to sign off. I have to download this stuff, recharge. Batteries are almost out. I'm almost out. From X5 update